In case you're wondering where I got my bag from, you don't even need to look away. I got it from Christie's Fashion Bags right here in Abuja, and trust me, she has one of the best collections of premium quality handbags. Bags are beautiful and built to last. If you love good bags, this is your sign. Shop Christie's handbags today.
They say confidence can't be bought, but at Christie's Jewels, we say it can be worn.
From timeless classics to bold statement pieces, each jewel is crafted to make you shine different.
So whether it's a big moment or your everyday glow, make it unforgettable with Christie's Jewels. Christie's Jewels, where your sparkle begins.
Imagine creating high-quality advert videos like this using your smartphone. Now, let me tell you this, a lot of brands are already paying creators to create high-quality advert videos without you needing any special equipment. All you need is your smartphone and the skills. So stick with me in this video because I'll be showing you a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how you can achieve similar adverts like the one you saw earlier without needing any expensive equipment. Hey guys, my name is Christy Daniel. If you're just coming across my content or my channel for the very first time, please do well to like and hit the subscribe button. Please, your subscription means a lot to me. Now let's dive right into it. So like I said earlier, today I'll be showing you detailed tutorial on how you can achieve high quality product advert videos without needing any special equipment. All you need is your smartphone and you're good to go. So let's get into it. So the first step is to head over to ChatGPT. There we're going to generate our script for the advert video you saw earlier. So the first thing we do is to type in our prompt for the script. Here, as you can see, I had to type, I want a short, catchy and creative advert for a jewelry shop named Christie Jewels. And I wrote that it should give me catchy short phrases I can use. And then it generates all the catchy short phrases I can select from. But then I went to say, okay, nice, but give me an advert script for this. So with this script, we have 3 different scenes. And now I have an idea of what I want my adverts to look like. So the next step is to generate the images for this advert. So open our Gemini app. On Gemini, we're going to type the cartoon 3D avatar of a beautiful African lady. She's standing in her jewelry shop, smiling and talking, and then hit the send button. Gemini is going to generate an image. There you have it. So we have an image. This is beautiful. I didn't need to over prompt it. I just wrote what I wrote and it gave me this. So I'm going to reprompt by typing lines. I want her wearing blue jeans and white sleeveless turtleneck top, and then go ahead to impute details of how I want her standing. You can even play around her sitting position and all of that. Hit the send button and Gemini is going to generate your image for you. So we have it. She's wearing a blue jeans and a white sleeveless turtleneck. And then I'll go ahead and create the second scene. Here I want her standing holding a shopping bag. I'm going to impute that as you can see on the screen. And then hit the send button. It's going to generate that for me as well. So I'm basically working with a script I got from ChatGPT to help me generate the scenes, right? So the next one is make her stand in front of her jewelry shop. She's talking to a customer and hit the send button as well. So now I have 3 images. The first one you saw earlier, the second, and this one. So next we'll head over to Grok app. When you get to Grok app, click on create videos. Next you click on add photography. This takes you directly to your gallery. You're going to select one of the images of the 3D avatar generated. So click on it. So once you add your selected image, you notice that Grok AI will start generating your video automatically for you. But don't focus on that. Just go ahead and type in your prompt or copy your prompt from ChatGPT and paste in the description box. Always note that if you want it to have different accents, you can always add that in your prompt. For instance, I wrote use Nigerian accents. Once you're done with your prompt, hit the arrow and Grok AI is going to generate your advert video for you.
They say confidence can't be bought, but at Christie's Jewels, we say it can be worn.
So now you can see we have the first scene generated already. So the next step is to repeat the same process for the second scene. So we'll go back to ChatGPT, copy out the prompt for the second scene. We'll come back, click on add image and select the second image from our gallery. Then we'll go ahead and paste the prompt following the same pattern of using Nigerian accents, closing with using the right mannerism and gestures, and send it again and have it generated for us. So repeat that entire process for the 3 different scenes. Remember, with Grok AI, you only get at least 6 seconds of video. So once you get that, make sure you watch it and ensure you have all the details you need, the gesture and all of that. Remember that you can always tweak your prompt to get a better result. Whenever you feel what you have isn't accurate or isn't giving you what you want, always ensure that you go back, reprompt, and you see that you get better results. So next we're going to create the second advert video, and here we'll basically repeat the same process all over again. So head over to ChatGPT and type in your prompt for your script for the advert video, which we were doing. As you can see, you can screenshot the prompt so you can use it for your own advert later. So once we do that and we have the prompts ready, we'll copy out the first scene and head straight to Grok AI. In this particular one, we're going to skip the Gemini process because the reason I use Gemini most times is I like how their 3D images come out. But here we're just going to head over straight to Grok AI and then impute our prompt just like we did in the first video. We're going to skip the whole photo generation we did in the first one. First, we're going to describe what we want our character to look like. So write a beautiful Nigerian girl holding a bag, a brown bag. You can go ahead and change the color of yours if it's brown, red, whatever color you prefer. So once we do that, we're going to hit the send button and you have Grok AI give you so many examples of beautiful, amazing, top quality images or videos you can download or you can use. So once we do that, we'll scroll anyone you see that suits you. For instance, I prefer this particular image. I'm going to select it, go back to ChatGPT and copy out our script, right? Copy out the script for the first scene of the handbag advert and come back to Grok AI, paste it in the description box using the same format of use the Nigerian accent, adding at the end using the right mannerism or gestures, hit the arrow button, and in a few seconds, Grok AI is going to generate the video.
In case you're wondering where I got my bag from, you don't even need to look away.
So like I said, the entire process for this particular advert video is the same with the one we had there. The only step we skipped is a step where we had to generate images from Gemini, right? So here we have our video. As you can see here, she's holding the bag, she's marketing the bag. So here you have seen a detailed tutorial on how to create your own advert video from generating the script to character generation and then creating the video proper. So you can use this pattern for whatever brand it is you're working with or whatever brand you represent. You can use the same prompts that I have, just tweak it to impute specifics on the brand you're working on. So thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button, leave a nice comment, and please remember to subscribe